what's going on, guys? It's Lego Gunner 8199. Today I'm going to show you my cool Lego candy machine. It's a long time no candy machines it was, but this is the key for coin taking button. It's version 6. Two options. 1 cent and for 20 cents. So it's locked, you see? This is the 360 view. So it's locked, see? You put 1 cent, it's rejected, you see? If you put the 20 cent in, push and pull, you've got two silver gumballs. You switch to the blue gumballs, locked, put the 20 cent in, push and pull, and you've got two blue gumballs and a coin change from here. So now again, and again. Okay, so now I'll show you how to take your coin back. You turn the machine, and here's a little this piece. I will show you. So this is the hole. You put this key right here, and now it turns here. And you see, and you can take it. Now your coins are here, 4 coins, and this is the coin, and this is the second hole. You can save your gumballs or anything in this hole. I will show you this hole because it's really cool, and inside it is anything. So now you can put your gumballs here. 1, 2. And you put this, and it's locked. So now I'll show you the mechanism. It's really hard. And this is the mech. This is the option switcher. I can take it off, I think. This is it. And there's a coin slot here. Here's a 1 ball and second ball, and I will show you one really interesting thing. This is in this 10 piece. It's a 1/2 millimeter hole, and you can put your coin not fat but thin. So you put it again. And I will show you how it works. So I will take the camera off, and now it's the mech. So you put 20 cents, it's rejected. You put this, it pulls. Now I think I will put the 2 gumballs here and 2 gumballs here, and you push it, take it, and 2 gumballs comes out. So now you switch to the other option, put it 20 cents, push and pull, and you've got 2 blue gumballs, and this is the coin change. You put it in here. So that's all I think. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe, and bye.